3, 2, 1.
Which river runs through the heart of China? The answer is B, Yangtze River. What controls the movements of hands and arms? The answer is D, somatic nervous system. Why was Betty Suarez hired at Mode magazine as Daniel Meade's assistant on the TV show Ugly Betty? The answer is C, because she was unattractive. What record label was established in 1978 and included New Order, The Durutti Column, and Happy Mondays in its stable? The answer is A, Factory Records. What is Stevie Wonder's real name? The answer is D, Stephen Adams. Which of these is the primary source of energy in food webs? The answer is B, sunlight. Who is the Roman god of wine and agriculture? The answer is C, Neptune. What's always around but can't be seen? The answer is B, Ethernet cable. What was the other name of Doc Hudson, an ex-race car in the movie Cars? The answer is C, the Hudson Hornet. Who is known as the Great One in ice hockey? The answer is A, Wayne Gretzky. Which astronomical phenomenon is also a popular programming environment? The answer is B, eclipse. Which gas is used in MRI machines for patient imaging? The answer is D, xenon. Living organisms are comprised of organic compounds, which are molecules built around what element? The answer is C, carbon. What is the basic unit of structure and function in all organisms? The answer is B, the cell. What is the fastest growing fruit? The answer is A, mango. What actor portrayed Paris in the 2004 movie Troy, based on Homer's Iliad? The answer is A, Orlando Bloom. Who made the final decision to drop atomic bombs on Japan? The answer is B, President Truman. What type of pasta is fusilli? The answer is D, shaped pasta. What is a mortar and pestle used for? The answer is B, grinding spices. In Portuguese, what is the meaning of the word vermelho?
The answer is D, red.
What is the term for a chemical reaction in which products have lower energy than reactants? The answer is D, non-spontaneous. This tag belongs to what 1973 movie? The answer is B, Westworld. In which year was the term photography first used? The answer is C, 1839. What are considered solid lipids that animals use to store energy? The answer is B, fats. On the TV show The Real World, New York, the group finds a stray dog and name him what? The answer is C, Yoda. In a northern state, a room used for growing plants is not allowing enough light to enter for healthy plant growth. Adding windows and walls facing which direction would best solve this problem? The answer is B, south. What does the HTML and web development stand for? The answer is A, Hypertext Markup Language. Which book is set in the dystopian society of Airstrip 1? The answer is A, 1984. What is the term for the visible part of the electromagnetic spectrum? The answer is C, light. What is it that you can catch but never throw? The answer is C, stars. What is Sugar Mama's dog's name in the series The Proud Family? The answer is D, Puff. Who broke most Guinness World Records? The answer is B, Lee Ridley. What is the capital of Rome during the Roman Empire era? The answer is D, Rome. What is the name of the unicorn-like whale whose horn is actually a long tusk? The answer is C, narwhal. The first ever Calvin Klein collection featured what kind of clothes? The answer is D, coats. Which game has the character Lara Croft as its protagonist? The answer is A, Tomb Raider. What is a set of colored pens called? The answer is A, marker set. Which animal can change color to blend in with its surroundings? The answer is B, octopus. What is another term for foodborne illness? The answer is C. Food poisoning. What are the small rubber bands used for in a binder called? The answer is A. Binder ties. What is the smallest animal in the world? The answer is A. Paramecium. Which statement correctly describes a property of a type of matter? The answer is A. Air is a mixture of gases. What process do all species use to make the next generation? The answer is D. Reproduction. In 1897, American scientist John Jacob Abel was able to isolate which of the following? The answer is C. Adrenaline. Who wrote Meditations Metaphysikae, a treatise on metaphysics, ethics, and the soul? The answer is D. Spinoza. How do hydrogen bonds help ions and other polar molecules? The answer is B. Dissolve in water. What is the role of decomposers in a food web? The answer is C. Decomposers break down dead plants and animals. What happened to the Russian in the third season of the series The Sopranos? The answer is A. It was never revealed what happened to him. Which of these substances and minerals is not effective in the treatment of depression? The answer is B. Sodium. Which video game character is known for saying "It's a me, Mario"?